This is Deni Vijera from Bella Vita Lifestyle Center. I have been posting every day on Facebook my juice fast that I've been doing, and believe it or not, today is day 32, okay? I've done a 21-day juice fast in the past, but I really wanted to go longer. So I hit the 30-day mark, but I'm actually going to go to the 40-day mark. So I want you at home to pray for me. But I'm going to show you, so many of you are writing and asking, what are you juicing? How much are you taking a day? You know, can you share some of the combinations of the juices you're making? So I thought I'd just, rather than write it out, I'd rather just give you a little bit of a video to show you precisely what I'm doing. So here I am in our little garden over at Bella Vita, and I'm going to come out and pick some produce. So here I have a yellow cookneck squash, and believe it or not, I juice these. These got a lot of juice in them, and I want to get different nutrients from different plants with different colors. Can you believe I'm going to juice an eggplant? Have you ever juiced an eggplant? You're going to see how much juice comes out of this guy. Well, I'll put some tomato in here. And so here, I got tomatoes, I got basil, I got eggplant, I got chard. What else do I want? Let's walk over here this way. Well, here's a beautiful lemon balm plant. We love putting this in smoothies. Has a great lemon aroma to it, plus the green, lots of chlorophyll, great blood purifier. So I'm going to take these vegetables in the house now. I also have a number of vegetables in there I purchased from the supermarket that are all organic. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually make the juice for you, and I'm going to demonstrate it so you'll know at home what Deni Vijera has done for his 40-day juice fast. Now, I really want to get a lot of nutrition. I mean, I'm doing a 40-day juice fast right now. So I need to get a lot of different nutrients, and especially I need a lot of greens, because the greens are going to give you protein, and the greens are going to give you B vitamins. There's also chlorophyll in here. Now, as you look on the table, I have eggplant. Remember, I just picked some from the garden. I have chard. I have basil, carrot. I also have here some ginger, beet. I love beet. Stalks. You know, they cooked, or they made, Charmaine just made a raw kale salad, and these stalks have a lot of juice in them. You don't want to throw them away. And high in calcium, by the way, right? I have spinach, I have tomatoes, I have garlic if I want it, and I also have a lot of basil. I picked the lemon balm, I picked the peppermint there, and I also have even a yellow crookneck squash. Now, the one thing I'm looking for, if I still have it here, there it is. Look at that little baby. That's a habanero. That thing is super hot. One of these will spice this drink up. Wow, it's just going to give it such a great flavor. Now, I'm using here a Breville. That's the 900 watt Breville with a multi-speed on it here, okay? See the multi-speed? So I can turn it up or turn it down depending on what I'm juicing. Now, I keep it about a 5 when I'm doing the vegetables, but I like this machine, which I bought off Amazon, because it's very simple to clean. It disassembles very quickly, very easy, and it assembles really easy. And I told you that this is my preference for a juicer, because I want something in my house that's durable, very quick, very easy, and has a lot of power. I first saw the Breville operate when I went to Fiji, and I was amazed how fast this machine juices vegetables. So now I turn it on. You can hear the power in this machine. This is my little juice corner, okay? So let me get my plunger. And so here we go. I'm going to just begin now. And again, I like combination. You can just do carrot juice. You can do carrot and celery. You can do carrot, celery, and parsley. That's a great combination. Ginger gives it a nice flavor. But I'm going to make a vegetable juice instead of a vegetable soup. So here we go with just the kale. But watch this machine. How quick. See how much comes out of there. And I also like the size of the mouth where you're putting in your vegetables, because this whole tomato fits perfectly Look at that. Okay? Now watch this. This is a yellow crookneck slug. Watch the juice come out of this. Isn't that amazing? Now I'll take some eggplant. Now that guy may fit all the way in there by itself. Yep. Now let's see the amount of juice coming out of that eggplant. Wow. So I got eggplant. I have kale. Now I'll get myself a number of charred leaves like this. Always do the stems. Don't throw anything away that's usable. So I'll put in here a lot of leaves. Here's more charred. Green charred, red charred, rainbow charred. You get a lot of different types of chard. Blend them up. Get creative. Throw in a couple tomatoes on top. Look at that. Wow. Now, let's say basil. Look at that basil. Okay? Look at this bunch of basil. Throw that in there. Take one carrot. Look at that. Now you want to turn it red? This is a great liver cleanser. Beets are powerful. They got a lot of lycopene in them. Now you got the red with the green. What else can I put? Here's that lemon balm, a little peppermint. And now I'm going to throw in, look, a bunch of spinach. Bunch of spinach. Celery stalk. Oh, I'm getting hungry now. Now, when I say get creative, what about cabbage? Here's some Napa cabbage, and cabbage has vitamin U. It's really good for ulcers. So I like cabbage for ulcers, for the stomach lining. Look at all that cabbage. Now watch the amount of juice that comes out of this cabbage. It's amazing. Watch it. And you see how many vegetables are going into what I may consume tonight? I'll drink this whole thing tonight. In fact, I'm drinking about 3 of these a day. The ginger again, I love the flavor of the ginger. I'll throw in more carrots. I don't have any more parsley right now, but I'll put in the kale stalks, the rest of those. Throwing in 4 tomatoes. They're in. Oh, look at this. Beet stems. Let's put the beet stems in as well. This is my dinner. This is my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner. And people are saying to me, well, Danny, you've lost so much weight. Well, duh. I mean, I'm intentionally, no, I'm going to lose some weight. But I weighed 185 when I started, 10 pounds over my typical body weight of 175. Today I weighed in at 162. All right, but I'm still maintaining muscle size, you know, my stomach's gone down, you know, my abs, and I just, you know, I hope you understand, I'm just getting in shape because I was created in the image and likeness of God, and I always ask, what did he look like? You know, I think he had good symmetry when he created Adam, right? There was some good symmetry. So here, I'll throw in the rest of the carrot. Get that in there. Throw in some more eggplant. Might as well. Another big tomato. And if I had parsley, I'd, I'm getting full now. Don't forget this. My little habanero. And look at that. That just made it very hot. And I like the Breville. If you get too much in here, it starts shooting out a bit, but I did all right. But that's my little demo for you today. All of these foods are high in nutritional value. I mean, I got pounds of vegetables juiced in this. This is the blood of the plant. This is going to get into my body. It's going to feed my cells. It's going to repair my tissues. It's going to give me tremendous amounts of energy. It's going to help detoxify my body. It's flooding my body with nutrients. There's lots of vitamin C. There's beta carotene. There's calcium. It's loaded with minerals. And I do spend the extra money to get the organic. So try to do that. I mentioned that Rayleigh's here in our area, you can get 25 pounds of organic carrots for about $14.99. Unorganic, they're $7.99. That's a really good price for carrots. But, you know, as I said, you know, I have many people now that have joined me on this juice fast. One woman's juiced 18 days. She's lost 23 pounds. She's so excited. Another lady at the gym just bought a juicer. She's buying all the vegetables. She needs to lose some weight, so she's going to do it. And one thing I also do is, this is by the company Nativa, and it's just 100% without additives and sweeteners. It's hemp protein. And what I like about it is I'm taking this with my juices, or I'll take it separately in water, because I don't want to lose the muscle, okay? So I'm feeding my body about 30 to 40 grams of protein a day from the hemp. 3 tablespoons gives you 15 grams of protein, and it's only 90 calories. One other thing that I do is I put flaxseed oil in. Okay, flaxseed oil, all right? And I love the flaxseed oil because I'm getting essential fatty acids. So I'm getting protein, I'm getting essential fatty acids, I'm getting high amounts of carbohydrate, and I've lost 23 pounds in 32 days. So don't tell me a high carb diet isn't going to keep you from losing weight. It's the type of carbs that you're eating. These foods aren't cookies and donuts, all right? These are God's beautiful gift of live foods from the garden. And think of it, there's electrical charge in nature. Everything living has electrical charge. God gave it that way. And I'm getting all these batteries in me every time I drink a fresh juice. So here's to good health. God bless you. Wow. You know, just the other day, I decided that I was going to add one more item to my fast, and it's coconut oil. And I'll tell you why I did that. Because, you know, as I went to 185, you know, I'm not a huge guy, all right? As I went to 185 to 175 to 165, I'm going, man, how much weight am I going to lose? You know, because there's not much fat left on my body, very little fat. So I said, I need something that's going to give me a little more energy and a little more sustenance and stamina when I go work out. So I brought in coconut oil, organic, cold pressed, unrefined, and I want to tell you, man, I just took myself a tablespoon of this, and it was the first time. Now, I haven't used any of this for the first 31 days. This is the first day I did, and I want to tell you, I got on the bike today. I had so much energy, I did not want to stop. I did about 500 repetitions on my weights, and I left there just feeling fabulous. But this really picked me up too. And so I'd like to maintain, my weight was 162 this morning, and I have never seen 159 in 50 years, okay? But this is a good addition too if you need a little more go power and get some healthy fats. Well, I'm going to share this with all of you now, and I want you to try it and tell me what you think. But first, let's toast and thank God for all the beautiful food He's provided from the earth. Amen. How's it taste?
Tastes excellent.
The best I have.
Ah, thank you. I
enjoy the habanero.
Great.
I can taste ginger.
And I can taste the spicy one.
Ah, the habanero, probably. Taste the peppermint at all?
Yes, I can.
Peppermint too.
You get the peppermint
So many flavors.
flavor?
Yes,
Lots of
really
flavors.
good.
I hope this inspires you all to start a juice program at home and see how great you'll feel. I mean, what an easy way to lose weight. I want to say that I've done a number of juice fasts before. This is my longest, but I also want to say it is my easiest. This one has been so easy, I can't believe it. It's like I don't want to stop. So we appreciate all of you. So this is to your health.
Join us.
Join us.
Join us.
Yeah.
Join us!
Hi, I'm Šarmin Vijera, and I want to excite you about getting your children to eat more rainbows. Get them to eat a variety of colors during the day. And today I'm going to make a delicious rainbow wrap. Now this is my rice paper, and I'm going to use this with different vegetables, and we're going to roll it up just like a burrito, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So first we've got to hydrate this in some water, and I have a pie plate here with a little water in it, and we just run our rice paper through here. This rice paper actually is a raw food item, and there we have it. Now on our rice paper, I like to go ahead and put some lettuce down first, and because I like the fluffy ends at each side of this burrito here, we're going to go ahead and lay it this way across. And now we can start adding our different colors, and I have some julienne cucumbers. Those are lovely, and some carrots, orange carrots. Have your kids make this with you, it's fun. And we can add some peppers. I've got red and orange peppers here, a little more cucumber. Then I have some purple cabbage. Isn't that pretty? And then I have some snap peas that I've cut lengthwise. You can put those along the top there. And then we have some avocado we can lay over the top. What else do I have? Some spinach. Wonderful source of green chlorophyll and phytonutrients, some mung bean sprouts. And this is getting really full right now. And a little cilantro. This cilantro is going to give it that Thai flavor. So now I'm going to attempt to roll this up, and I really want to grip the innards and just pull that rice paper over the top and just kind of gently press and squeeze as I'm continuing to roll this, as you can see. And because it's wet, it's sticky, and this is going to make an automatic seal, as you can see. And look at that, it rolled up so beautifully. And we can cut that right down the center and admire these beautiful colors that we have here. Look at that. Now I have a plate here with a bed of alfalfa on here, alfalfa sprouts, and we can just place our beautiful wrap on there, and you'll see in a little dish here I have an easy to make almond dip that I've used raw almond butter, fresh coconut water and coconut meat, some dates, a little bit of coconut aminos, and some miso. That's all it is, and it's nice. It's very fresh tasting with the wraps, and my son loves it, and I bet your kids are gonna love it too. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will bring you another colorful recipe next time.